My neighbor has been puking quite frequently every morning, even during the weekdays. And I don't think that, he's guy pregnant, since, that only happens when you eat a lot of food with no vegetables. All right, come on, buddy. Breathe. You got this. Hold my hand. Squeeze my hand. Can I see it? My guess is that he's got a family of toilet birds that he's feeding. Then again, I don't hear the chirps through the wall when I play Candy Crush on the toilet. Oh, maybe it's his love language with a new girlfriend. Yeah, that guy, he wrote that, book about it or something. I don't know, I didn't read it. It wasn't in Highlights magazine. Anyway, the languages. There's words of affirmation, gifts, quality time, physical touch, and puking into your girlfriend's mouth to promote bonding. Yes, I'll marry you. No, it's probably just the flu. All those other ideas are stupid. Hey, birdies. How you doing? Me.